Migao mar omenda yao hayanga chenro mar loso bajet ma hiko 2026 kod 7 ka yao chenro makamano e karomo mar KCC. Tan migao mar omenda John Mbadi olero kenge ma osego gi sirikal e bero chumi mar Kenya kod kenge mantiere mag medo chiwo chumi no kendo jiwe obed makare.
We have moved now to accrual accounting basis from cash basis. From this financial year onwards, we have continued to implement zero-based budget. We have also gone to single treasury account so that we improve our cash management, and we have optimized our asset utilization through a module called assets and inventory management.
I want MDS to embrace PPP. Before you ask us for extra budgetary allocation, exhaust the possibilities of raising funds through PPP, especially commercially viable projects. We now have Rironi Mau Summit in the pipeline, progressing well. I am sure it will be concluded soon. That will be a major infrastructure project in this country. The other one that I would mention, and my PS visited it recently, that is Galana Kulalu, is in progress under PPP. We have a number under the energy sector, and I want to encourage all MDAs, including even county governments, come up with projects that can be funded through PPP programs.